Ernie! Uy, malaki ka pa kay Mami Sol ah. Ano sasabihin mo kay Mami Sol? Welcome to Canada, Mami Sol. Mami Sol ah. Puta kami, hindi ko mahahawakan yan. Wait lang, mapahawakan mo muna yung sa akin, ma. Sabi ko na si Junior yun eh. Reunion.
Finally.
Mami, si Antonio, ma.
Hi, how you doing?
Oh, shake hands na lang.
Hi. How was your trip?
It was good, ma'am. It was good. Asan na si Daddy? Hi, Kyle! Asan na si Daddy?
Lagi pag bumibili ako ng Rolex. Hi, Mom.
How many luggage you have?
3.
Oh, the same 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so we only need 1 car?
Yeah, just one
Daming
time.
flowers.
Hey!
Sa'yo na lang. Customize yan.
Thank you na.
Welcome back.
Ay, si Daddy, iniwan niya na.